Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Happy Tuesday. Today is the first day of school for my daughter Emmy. She is a freshman in high school. So Emmy, have a wonderful day at school. Super excited for her. Wanted to bring you a little Daiso haul. I have this set of 3 of notebooks. Definitely reminds me of school. It's interesting, the format. Usually if you have a notebook, it's this way. But this one is horizontal. I think it's really cute. It came with 3, and again, the stationery from these Daiso notebooks is really nice and smooth, so I love these. I also spotted this adorable bag. It has a faux leather handle here. I am planning to make a journal and put it in. It fits perfectly like this. So it's going to be probably be a 4x6 journal. So I am excited to work on a project and house it in here. Wouldn't that be fun to bring along your journal wherever you go? Something small and compact. So I really like this one. I also got a few of their gift bags just for packaging, happy mail, or giving out cute little gifts. Here's one I really like, almost like that lace print on these pink bags, and there are 5 for $1.75. They also had these cute little pandas, and these are always fun to use for outgoing mail. I really like this one, Moonlight, Wish Upon a Star. I love the celestial look on this particular one. I did get, I love their storage systems. So here's one that I got from my daughter, Lil, who's currently working on a project she did from clay, like air dry clay, made a special chess set, and everything is handmade. So she's going to paint the pieces and then store them in here for a friend. So got that for her. Also got some of these cute little frames, and I think they're nice kind of floating frames. You can put like a string here and then hang it, or it comes with these and then you can let them stand, or you can let them, these are the different orientations of how they will look. So I got a couple of those. And then we have this cutie pie, another cute packaging. And I got my usual supply. I know I have another one somewhere, but I got these. These are my favorite. I think this is the 1-inch double side tape. Use this all the time when I do my journals. I got this cutie here. I just love the fact that all the Sanrio characters, let me just show you, are mermaids. And I think it's really, really cute. I hope you can see it on camera there. But these were really cute. I love the way they illustrated them on there. We have our mystery pouch here. I sent one to BB's Closet Creation. I was so happy. She got Karopi. I am hoping to get Karopi here. So we're going to open this up in just a sec. And the last one that I got is an assembly mailbox. I love this, and here is how you put it all together. So hopefully I can show you a little clip here of what it ends up looking, and then I will put this somewhere on my desk with some happy mail that, once in a while I like to read old mail that I got from friends and family, and I think it's really cute. So we'll see how this all turns out. And last but not least, let's open up and see which zippered pouch we got. So these are the possibilities. There is one mystery one. I'm hoping for Karopi or a mystery, but either way, excited to see what we get. So here it is, guys. Yay! I love all of these 3 characters, so super happy. Oh my gosh, I got the mystery one. So if you look at all the other ones, this is the mystery one. Oh my goodness. Super, super cool. I'm so happy that I got that. It's really cute. It's going to be a cute little coin purse, or you can put your little headphones in there. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a wonderful week ahead. I'll see you next time. Bye.